down.
This is the coloring.
How much coloring?
Full tablespoon.
Okay, what's next?
400 gram of granulated sugar.
How much almond and powdered sugar combination? Are you checking your heart rate?
Yeah, I have to. I don't.
It's hot in here.
My heart
Can we
does not show.
can we pause 1 second? Let him do that. You're good. Keep going.
Oh, I'm 139. I have to.
Okay. Let's just take a quick
take
break.
a break.
You're not dizzy, are you?
Phinia, can you do me a favor? Can you just look at me and just not look at your watch just for a minute?
Thank you.
Let's get the pill, let's get the water. There we go, everybody's relaxed. Her heart rate got up to 166. It's supposed to be like 56.
Take deep breaths.
We got done what we needed to get done at the co-packer. The recipe's documented, and I don't want to push her. Right now, let's take a beat and just slow down. I reached out to the CEO